What's going on, my fellow Farmall brothers and sisters? Alright, so I'm about to take you around and kind of show you what I got myself into this past weekend. You'll see. Alright, so we're going to go for a little walk over here and show you what arrived on the property this past weekend. I had another video actually recorded Saturday, but I'll tell you one thing, it was cold as shit Saturday. I came out here and did the video. You can actually, when I look back and started looking at the video when I was editing it, you can see the tears coming down my eyes just from the wind and the sheer cold that was coming over this valley this past weekend. Yeah, I decided to record another video. So anyway, so yeah, we're gonna come on over here and see if you can spot something different, something new. Not the backhoe. All right, so what happened was a buddy of mine had a couple cubs. I don't want to mention his name just in case he does want it mentioned, but you know who you are. So anyway, we made a little deal, and he had a couple cubs. I ran the serial numbers. The first one is a 49, and then the other one over there is a 48, and then the half one, I have no clue. I don't think there's a VIN plate. I didn't look actually. But anyway, we made a little deal, and my daughter wanted a cub, so I got these two from. So obviously, after the 300's done, after the utility is at least with the backhoe is running and the backhoe's back on it, probably during the restoration of the H, I'm going to go ahead and restore one of these for now for my daughter, because she wants to go to the shows with the Super A with me. So we're going to go ahead and I guess get one of these in the lineup for the restoration next. Make sure you watch the videos on the 300 utility. That one's actually coming out pretty good so far. I'm actually going to get ready to go and get the motor up on the stand so I can get it flipped around and start gutting it and get ready for the rebuild. But this video today is about the two cubs. So I'm going to flip this camera around and take you for a quick little walk around. Okay. So this one here, I had to look back the serial numbers to make sure I'm right. This one should be the 49. Let me double check the serial number on it. Yeah, the first one was the 49. So, you know, the two little girls here are gonna need a little bit of work, but no big deal. I don't mind getting myself into it. It's all good. It's worth it to bring these things back to life. So both the motors spin over. I haven't had a chance to personally thoroughly go through it and assess everything and go through everything and see what I need to replace, rebuild, and fix, but pretty much everything. Again, whatever, right? It is what it is. I guess I'll have to get a magneto for this one. Got the magneto cover, but no mag. Nothing major. The mag's in the other one. Looks like I got to rebuild that one, so it's all good. I'll find a mag for this one again and get this one together. I think I may possibly keep one of them. Maybe I'll keep the 49 for myself, put the plow on it, just to go ahead and play with it. And then, you know, my daughter wants one, so I'm probably not going to put any attachments on here. I don't know. I got two snow plows. Maybe I'll stick another snow plow on the other one and have her push some snow as well. But anyway, so here they are. This one's got the drawbar and the belly mower on it. And then this one just got the pulley but nothing on it. Got some mixed match tires, no biggie. At least these small tires aren't that much. For the most part, this rim is a little roached on this one. That one's a little roached. These aren't as bad on this one. I might have to go ahead and just restore one right now. Take all the best parts, restore one so she can play with it, and then then I don't know, maybe I'll wait till next winter and then I'll restore the other one for me to play with. The 300 utility is going to do what I need to do as far as pushing snow and doing all my yard work. So, but anyway, I'll take a little walk around real quick. Now, I'm sure the tanks are rusted inside, so I'm actually going to make a contraption to mount these, the bigger tank, and since it's attached to the grill, I'm going to make a basically like a wooden spinning wheel out of a pallet, so I can actually go ahead and fill the tank with the BBs and the evapor rust and spin them around and get all the rust out of them. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. Look at these cute little itty bitty carburetors. Everything's so small on these. Good Lord. Yeah, I think they all went into gear. Yeah. Yeah, at least all the gears and everything seem like they work. Like I said, these things are pretty freaking simple to work on. If you're going to get into tractors, definitely the Cubs are a great introductory as far as getting into these and working on them. So, all right. So anyway, so that's these two, and then the half a Cub I was telling you about is this one right here. Now, sadly, this Cub here, the reason it's in parts right now is he told me that the guy who owned it, a tree fell on it and dented the tank and dented the steering shaft, so the guy parted it out. Not sure why he parted out a tractor over that. He could have fixed that, but what can you do, right? So anyway, so apparently one of the final drives on one of the other ones, I think this one was bad, so I think the reason he said he got it was to get the final drive off of this and put it over there. So I mean, it gives you some spare parts, you know. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this one yet here, but it's here. I got it, so it is what it is. I'm going to obviously get everything tarped up and undercover until I'm ready to work on them. But here's the other snow plow. I already have one of these beside the shed right now that I was going to retrofit for the Super A, but I think I'll go ahead and just save it for the Cub. Just like the other one, I got all the parts to it and everything. I got all the arms, levers, yeah, pretty much everything. So 2 Cubs, 2 plows, and let's see, we got a weight here. I got a weight in the trailer. Okay, so just one of them's going to have the weights, and both plows. And I think I got a set of chains for these actually still. So I don't know. Maybe if I get bored after I get to 300 done, maybe we'll roll one of these in at least to dual wheel it run and see if I can get one fired up. At least go from there. So, but anyway, so that's it for today. Just wanted to kind of show you what I ride. So I'm starting to think I might have an addiction. Just don't tell my wife. Actually, I think she already knows. Anyway, I promise I really will try not to buy any more tractors unless a 350, you know, Farmall diesel, or a 450 diesel, or even actually a 350 or a 450 gas. I don't really care. I'd prefer a wide front, but if it's a row crop, it's fine with me too. But I told her I'll save myself and I'll try not to obtain any more tractors until one of those two come along. Then again, then the 1206 too. If 1206 comes along, I might have to get one of those also. Yeah, I'm addicted. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And any comments, feel free to post them. But obviously, hit that notification bell because, well, we got 2 more tractors in the lineup. So we got plenty of tractors to go ahead and keep you guys entertained as far as what I'm going to work on. It's definitely giving you a vast variety of tractors to get into. And like I said, these aren't just going to be buying them and putting gas and driving them. This is actually going to show you when you get them in this condition, what it takes to get them running, and then enjoy driving them and using them. So I'm going to try to be as detailed as I can. Anyway, enough of my babbling. Hit that notification bell, and until next time.
Watch to keep it from bashing into you.